So yes, I'm from Zalando, and you probably know it, at least in Europe, we're quite well known, but we're probably not known so well as being a tech company too. So here are some numbers to see how big Zalando really is. So we make around 2.2 billion euros a year. We have 15 million active customers. We're live in 15 countries, and we have over 8,000 employees. And with the employees, we also have around 800 people working in tech. So our headquarters is located in Berlin, but we opened up new tech hubs all over Europe. So one in Dublin, one in Helsinki. We also have one in Dortmund. And there are probably also other ones coming up in the future. We plan to hire a lot of engineers this year and next year, so we want to nearly triple the amount of engineers we have. We're using a platform we built in-house, and right now we're using a lot of new and innovative technologies. We use React, we use Scala, AWS, Docker, Clojure, Python, BigPipe, Cassandra, so everything you might want to use one day. With React, we are currently using it in the online shop. So we are building a framework which allows us to enable team autonomy and to foster innovation, which is quite difficult, in fact, if you have a huge team, to build a front end where every team is able to develop, deploy, test their stuff without impacting anyone else. So that's one of our goals here. It's built on top of a microservice landscape. So quite innovative, I would say. If you want to know more about this, we're at our booth. You can ask me or our colleagues about everything. And we're, of course, also hiring. So feel free, if you're interested, to ask us about that. We have an interesting tech blog where we post a lot of tech articles, and we're quite active in the open source community too. So our tooling around Docker and AWS had very good feedback in the past. So have a look. It's really an interesting read. Thanks.